What's your favorite thing about your dad?
My dad, me, I don't even know.
My dad is very compassionate, very patient, and he's very influential in my life. That has anything I know today regards the scripture, regards marriage, regards family, regards love, despite offense from my dad. Very patient and very loving.
What's your favorite thing about your dad?
My favorite thing about my dad is he's present. He's always been there for me and my siblings.
Favorite thing about your dad?
Favorite thing about my dad is his sense of humor, his love for himself and every other person, how he makes everyone comfortable around him.
What's your favorite thing about your dad?
My dad is meek, but it's too much, but it's good as well.
What's your favorite thing about your dad?
He's very disciplined.
What's your favorite thing about your father?
I try to remember, my dad is late, but he just always made sure leave on.